to top 2 from SM City Bacoor. Malalaman na natin.
Matapos ang matinding hatawan ng ating Hataw 5 from SM City Bacoor with the Sex Bomb Dancers, sino kaya ang makakalusot sa ating top 2? Alamin natin kay Chesty and Ira.
This time, malalaman na natin ang ating top 2 for today. But before that, we would like to thank the following. Thank you so much, SM City Bacoor.
And to Kenny Rogers for your delicious food. And speaking of thanking people, we would like to thank our girls for auditioning and congratulate them for making it this far. It really is honestly to get this far, diba? Anyway, it is time to reveal our top 2 today.
Yes, alam mo, Presley, nalulungkot ako kasi parang ayoko may matanggal sa kanila kasi aminin natin lahat sila magaganda.
Dapat they should all go to the next round.
Diba? Kasi some of them, hindi man talaga hataw, pero feeling ko may potential silang matuto talaga.
They all have potential. They all do.
At syempre, hindi tayo mag-decide yan. At para ibigay sa atin ang ating top 2 for today, please welcome our sex bomb guru, Miss Joy Hanson.
I love you, Bacoor! Thank you so much. Una-una, gusto magpasalamat muli sa SM Bacoor for giving us the opportunity to do the audition here. Maraming salamat to Sports yung Kenny Rogers. Napakasarap, no? Ang dami mo nakain. Grabe. Anyway, dun sa sinabi ho ni Ira, nararamdaman ko at yung panghihinayang mo dahil talagang kahit ako ho, di ba ho, magaganda silang lahat? At bilang guru po ng Sex Bomb Girls, kahit pa paano alam ko po na lahat halos sila may potensyal na maturuan, matrain. And I'm sure kung sila ay may disiplina lang, talagang maaabot nila yung pangarap nilang maabot na maging isang tulad na sex bomb dancer. Yan po. So ready na ba kayo, girls, para malaman natin kung sino papasok sa Dance Showdown?
Good luck, girls.
Okay. Dahil, sabi nga nila, top 2, ako po, lahat kayo pasok. Top 5. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
To Hazel, Linel, Selena, Riza, and Christine. Good luck sa inyo. Dance Showdown.